Have you ever had these worms or caterpillar, whichever one you decide to call it? But in Hausa, we call it susankade, which are basically caterpillars gotten from shea butter tree. So all you have to do is very simple dish. I grew up eating this as a very nostalgic dish. This is actually eaten by Shandong people of Plateau State. I don't know if other people consume it as well. The worms have been picked and dried, so in order for us to cook it, we have to resuscitate it. So just put your pot, put boiling water, and you boil that for a few minutes. But while that is boiling, you prepare the other ingredients, which is granite that you can actually fry and pound, but I just pounded because I was too lazy to fry it. And that will serve as a thickener and also gives in taste flavor. And you have your pepper and your onions and your seasoning. That's about it. So while the susa is cooked, you bring it out and then you pull it out. Once it dries, it shrinks. So you have to stretch it. You stretch it so that you can wash it and get off all the sand that are in between the layers of its skin. And once you've washed that, you just put in your palm oil, your onions, your pepper, water, put in the susa, and then put in your seasoning and granite. That's about it. Well, you allow them to cook anyways, and it's a very simple dish, and it is delicious. Like I had to stop myself from crying while eating this because it just so many memories, so many memories. So tell me, guys, have you ever eaten this, or this is like completely crazy to you?